If you think acids and bases are the same, you're missing the real chemistry. Let's clear the confusion in less than a minute. Ready? Alright, remember this, acids are sour like lemon. Bases? They're bitter, like soap. But the real cheat code is the litmus test. When you dip blue litmus in acid, it turns red. Base does the opposite, it turns red litmus blue. Easy way to remember? Acid is like being angry, think red. Base is calm, like a blue sky. And here's a bonus, acids have a pH less than 7, bases are above 7. Water, that's neutral, right in the middle at pH 7. So next time someone asks, you'll ace it. Follow for more chemistry hacks that make science feel like pure magic. Common household acids include vinegar and lemon juice. They're great for cleaning and cooking. Bases like baking soda and bleach are often used in cleaning products. Safety tip: always handle acids and bases with care. Wear gloves and goggles to protect yourself. Remember, acids and bases are powerful tools, but they need to be used safely. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of chemistry.